What's going on, YouTube? Just your friendly neighborhood young Chevy truck trying to bring you guys another video. And today it's gonna be an assortment of things happening in this vlog. You just have to stay tuned and you'll see what we got for you. So actually we're going to Summit right now, and we're actually gonna go visit Tony B. So like I said, just stay tuned. You had a red one?
I had a red one, yeah. I brought it home from work on Friday, payday, with the rear end folded in like an accordion. My parents said, "Boy, if you don't take that thing back and get your and get your paycheck back." Monday morning, I took it back to work, got my paycheck back. It hurt because I had wheels, I could drive. I didn't have to ask nobody, but it had to go back. My first few cars were losers, big losers. Oh well. Gotta start somewhere, right?
Yep. Yep. Did you put that light up?
Yeah, I put this light up. I need one more. Need to put a couple more in here just so I can have a studio. Yeah, even though I got the small studio. You know, y'all can see, yeah, I got stuff all everywhere now. This is the part I'm scared of Nissans about. It's all this right here. So what I'm trying to do is I'm trying to do the maintenance. So I'm gonna do the timing belt on this thing. I got a timing belt, got the water pump. Actually got all the gaskets up top. As you can see, the previous owner loved RTV. So you know I gotta fix all that, man. All that RTV up there. I'm gonna probably take the intake, the plenum off and just shine it up. But yeah, this is what I traded the C10 for, man. Really?
I know the thermostat.
I know, but look how I know that's what I'm saying. Look how rusted that is, man. That's why I stopped. I stopped right here. Because
I know you saw that late at night when you was just like,
I was like, oh my gosh. Then I got a couple more bolts to get off this cover. So I was like, I don't feel like digging right now. So I'm gonna eat tonight, and I'm gonna have to film. I've been filming like an hour every day.
I just knew this was the new belt. That's not the new belt.
That's not the new belt. This is
bad.
That's what I'm saying. I'm not upset. It was done 40,000 miles ago, but it was 10 years ago. So I'm like, I don't want to play with it like that. So I want to make sure I do everything. And I did a compression test. All over 180. Every cylinder is over 180.
That thing fresh.
So she ready. She ready in a way. She just got to get cleaned up. And then the twin turbos, as you know, I think this side may be blown. This side, it does smoke after I let it sit for a while.
Can you see the turbo?
You can't, man. So you see how cramped up it is? It's crazy, man.
Would it have to come out the bottom?
Yes. It would have to come out the bottom. Yep. Unfortunately.
Wow.
Yeah. So hopefully when I take off, the plenum takes up a lot of room. So when you take off the plenum, you can actually get to the headers, the downpipes, all that from the side. But just look how big this engine bay is, and a V6 seems like it's so big. Because you can actually feel an LS in this. But just look how wide this is. It's just a wide V6.
I think, you know, it's the dual overhead cam.
That's exactly what's going on.
Dual overhead cam makes it huge.
The plenum was in 2 parts or 1 part?
It's 1 part.
Wow.
Yeah, it's one big part that comes out.
Fans out.
And all of it goes into this one. One good thing is both turbos I'm getting boost. So I'm getting boost to both. I'm at least getting 9 pounds of boost, which is
you pulling.
I get discouraged looking at this sometimes. But when I get it running, I'm gonna feel so good. Because even with it not being at full power, man, it's fun.
I bet.
It's so fun, man. It's so fun. The C10 was fun, but this is a different type of fun. So
I thought I was amazed by Stone's attention to detail, but your attention to detail is right there with it, man.
And you have to make sure you have the attention to detail with this. Because if you don't, you're gonna mess some stuff up.
Yeah.
But I've looked at countless videos. I have the service manuals.
Okay, I was gonna ask you that.
So I've been going by everything that Nissan tells us to do when it comes to doing this 120K service. Only thing is, I couldn't get an impact in here, so I told you what I did.
Oh yeah.
You tell you what I did.
Let me ask you this. You just bumped it, right?
I bumped it.
Okay.
I just bumped it, and that's all it took.
The way Stone explained it, he said you put it on there.
No, I just bumped it. I just bumped it. You know what I'm saying? So it wasn't that bad.
Now, I don't know how many times we've done the same thing.
And one other thing I don't like about the Nissan,
Hexes.
why would you do this instead of a bolt?
Yeah.
This is the part where it can really mess up. What's up, man?
Hey.
You gonna say hey? I knew he was coming.
Gotta warm up first.
Yeah, right? Yes, sir. No, he ain't warm. He right here grabbing your arm. That's crazy.
Wow.
But yeah, it's a lot. And the main reason why I'm doing all this is because I believe the crank seal is leaking. Because it's been leaking oil right from that front
That's
part.
the main reason.
So I'm pulling all this out. I'm redoing all the seals, the cam seals, all that. So water pump, got that. New thermostat, have that. Timing tensioner, I got that. So all this is up here is gonna be new. And one crazy thing about it, even though this is a 92, this is how you change the timing.
Oh, for real?
Right here. This is how you change the timing on a 92. So you can see it still has the timing mark. And what you'll do, you put the timing light on this to get the signal.
Yeah.
And it works just like an old school Chevy in the
Turn
way.
it?
Oh wow.
Yes, you turn
you
it.
loosen
See, you loosen these, and this is how you
Yeah.
advance it and retard it.
Wow.
I was like, why? Just think about it. This is a 1990.
Yeah.
And I 86.
Yeah.
Well, my 86. What's yours? 85?
84.
84.
You got
That's not too far off. But then you got dual overhead cams, but you still do the same thing
Yeah.
as you do before.
Wow. So you got plenty of good video of the before with this car?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
I mean, it running and doing
Yes,
what it
sir.
does.
Yeah.
Okay.
And so that's why I want to show the whole process. Hopefully I don't have to pull the engine out.
Hopefully, yeah.
But I don't think it is. I don't think it
But
is.
that's what we brought this for. Brought
Exactly.
this for in the car.
And what I'm going to do, I'm going to have it up my sleeve, like how you said.
Yeah.
You know what I'm saying?
I try to keep a little something.
Gotta have that something on my sleeve. I'll really rice it out now, y'all.
You say I'm really right now.
I already did rice it out enough. It went from the base model. See, I'm trying to make it look like it.
It looks great.
But I
Really
It
good.
looks really,
does.
really good.
it looks way better than it was.
See,
Begin to imagine.
It was tough. It was tough. It was tough, man. Not
you
gonna
can actually
tell.
walk close to yours. You can't walk close to mine. It's a good 20-footer.
All right, guess what's in here, man? See, just take a guess. It's already showing some on the outside. If you know the JDM world. He don't know.
You know,
I'm trying to guess.
Okay,
I'm lost.
all right. Let me show you a little something. I'm gonna really rice this thing out. All right, so I got one box.
What is that?
Okay.
Don't even open it yet. Don't stop licking, man.
It's got a disclaimer on it, whatever that's about.
What could that be? What is that?
Now you know what it is, right?
No, I
You
don't.
still don't know.
I still don't know.
You still don't know what this is. Think about it. It's in the interior. It's
Interior.
Yeah, it's something that
Not under the hood?
something that you touch. No, it's something that you touch every time you drive.
Oh my God, you got a steering wheel.
I did.
It's a dang steering
I did,
It's a
man.
removable joint.
Hey, yes, because look at this
That's the
steering.
removable
Look at this steering
steering
wheel, man.
Oh, yeah.
I can't keep touching this steering wheel, man. I can't keep touching that steering wheel, man. Hey, so I was like, man, hey, let me get me a steering wheel.
It's like you never know what Tony gonna
You
do.
already know. You don't know what I got, man.
like-
And then I got purple because my mom, it was her favorite color.
Nice.
Look at that, man.
That's
Look
wonderful.
at that.
That's crazy.
Wow.
So I'm gonna really be a racer now, man.
Yeah, you are.
My channel has not seen this, but they'll get it this weekend.
Okay. And so it's cool that I showed them.
Yeah, 100%.
Okay.
100%. You know, this is the hub. You already scratched it up, but this is what goes on in place of the actual hub of the steering wheel.
And they won't even see that part.
They won't.
That makes it reach. It brings it closer.
It brings it closer.
Okay.
Yep. And plus you got the quick release. So it's actually the one that you can detach, which I thought was pretty cool.
Yeah, that's tactical.
Yeah.
Yes,
That's what makes it more more ricer. Is the fact that you got the quick release joint. Alright y'all, so as you can see, here's the keys for the crankshaft. I don't understand how these things sit and stay in there, but I guess we'll figure it out and we'll cross that bridge when we get to it. Also, I got some of this white sealant because I heard it was good. I heard the black stuff kind of like sits at the bottom of the pan because it's so thick, but I heard this is it's pretty good because it pretty much dissolves all the way. But that's just what I heard. You know, I'm not really, I never tried it before myself until now, but yep, we're trying to roll forward on messing with the engine. I'm still not sure about the crankshaft. Well, no, not the crankshaft. I'm still not sure about the what's that thing called? The flex plate situation, because my converter is like a mini converter. Like it's like 10 inches, so I can kind of see quite a bit. It's a large gap between the flex plate and the converter itself, so I can actually look up there with my eyeballs and see all 6 bolts, and I don't see any cracks. So I know a lot of people said, you know, just take the torque converter off and slide it back toward the transmission, but like I said, I can kind of see already in there. I don't think I'd be seeing anything more by doing that, because I've turned the engine and actually physically looked up at the 6 bolts, and I do not see it cracked anywhere around the edge. So I'm just gonna roll forward on the engine for right now and hope that the flex plate or whatever it is doesn't come completely apart. Maybe I'll look deeper into it on another day, but honestly I'm not really sure how I could look any deeper into it other than just doing, you know, other than unbolting it and sliding it back. But like I said, I don't think that would be that much of a I don't think it will make that much of a difference, honestly. But we'll figure something out. I don't really know what I'm gonna do about that just yet. So, but either way, we got this now, and I'm really just trying to focus on getting the engine together, because yeah, I'm ready to see what a new setup is like. So just like that, y'all, I think this one's pretty much over. I really appreciate you guys watching. Make sure you subscribe, make sure you stay tuned, because I got some things up the sleeve. Like I said, I'm trying to make a new channel. So anyway, I really appreciate you guys watching. I will see you in the next one, and have a good one.